So good morning. We are starting with the further questions on trigonometry. First question is this: sine n plus 1a into sine n plus 2a plus cos n plus 1a into cos n plus 2a is equal to cos a. This we have to prove. So prove that. This is the question we have. Now first thing you should decide what formula it is. In this actually first result is given sine and then cos, but which is plus is here. So first we write this in proper form. Cos of n plus 1a, cos of n plus 2a, then plus sine of n plus 1a into sine n plus 2a. And then clearly this is a formula of cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. And this formula clearly says it is cos A minus B. So I am using this formula now. This will be A, this will be B. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So apply this formula now. What it will come out to be cos A. A means n plus 1 into A minus B. B means this n plus 2 into B. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos n A plus A minus n B. Oh, sorry, this is A only. This will be NA again and minus of 2A. NA and NA cancel out. Left is what? Cos of minus A. And we have already done this is equal to cos A. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this will be the proof of first question. Now coming on this second question. This is question number 2 we have now. Second question says cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is root 2 cos x. This is the question we have. Now this is the formula of cos A plus B. This is the formula of cos A minus B. So we start with our left hand side. What this will come, first formula says cos pi by 4 cos of x minus sin pi by 4 sin of x. Then plus this will be cos pi by 4 cos of x. Now minus is here, so it will become plus cos sin pi by 4 sin x. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 cos x. Then it will be minus 1 by root 2 sin of x. Then comes out to be plus 1 by root 2 cos of x. And then plus 1 by root 2 sin of x. This part clearly get cancelled out. Then it will come out to be 2 by root 2 cos of x. And then when you solve it, it will come out to be root 2 cos x. So very simple question, nothing new in this case. Simple formula, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and then we have simply used it. And you know the cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means it is cos 45. Pi by 4 means it is 180 by pi, convert in degrees, then it will be simply 45. So pi by 4 means 45 degree. You should remember this is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So you can get this answer. Another question we have. This time the question says cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x. Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is come out to be minus under root 2 and then sine of x. This is the question we have. Cos A plus B, this is cos A minus B, and we want this result to be done. Again, cos A plus B, left hand side we'll start. This formula says cos 3 pi by 4 cos of x minus sine 3 pi by 4 sine of x. This is the first part. Minus this will be cos 3 pi by 4 cos of x, then plus sine 3 pi by 4 sine of x. This term and this term are identical and opposite sign, so these two get cancelled out. This and this will become twice, so it will be coming minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 and then sine of x, which you can write minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, when you solve it, 3 pi by 4 into 180 by pi. Solve it, this will come out to be 4, 4 is a 16, 4, 5. So it's 135 degree. And when it is minus 135, I'll write 2 sine. This will be 135, means it will be 19 to 1 plus 45. And then it will come out to be minus 2 sine. This is quadrant number 2. First we think about the quadrant number 2. Quadrant number 2 sine is plus, but it's odd multiple, so it will become cos. And then, this is sine 35 and sine x is also there. This sine x. So here it is also sine x, because this is sine x we have written. So minus 2 cos, this will be 45 degree, and then this come out to be sine of x. Then it come out to be minus 2 into 1 by root 2, then it is sine of x. Then come out to be minus root 2 sine of x is the result. So this way you will have the question number third. So second and third question are one and the same. Now coming on next question. Yes, this is the next question. If a plus b is given pi by 4, we should prove that 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b comes out to be 2. We have to prove this result. We have this condition with us. So we'll start with this condition. A plus b given as pi by 4. Pi by 4 means it is 45 degree. Then we'll take 10 on both sides, because we want the result in terms of 10. So 10 of a plus b will be 10 of 45 degree. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 10a plus of 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b. And this is 1045, we have already known this is 1. Now we'll cross multiply this result, so I get it 10a plus 10b is 1 minus 10a 10b. Now just check here, all 10 and 10 on one side, left hand side, so I'll do 10a 10b taken this side. So I get it 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b. This is coming as 1. Now, just check here, what is the difference between this and this? If you solve it, just check 1 plus 10a plus 10b and plus 10a 10b. What is the term missing here? Only 1. This will give 4 terms. First term will be 1, which is not here. And one more thing, this is side needed 2 and we have 1 only. So what we do in this case, next step, we'll add 1 here and add 1 here. When you do this, it will come out to be 1 plus 10 of a. In this, we will take 10b common. So it will be again 1 plus 10a and coming 2. And now 1 plus 10a is coming common in it. Left is what? 1 plus 10b. That come out to be 2. 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b is coming 2. This is the required result we have. So this way, very simple question, not a difficult one. You can get this result. One more question like this is a plus b is pi by 4. Then prove that cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is 2. This time we are asking the question cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is 2, and this condition remains the same. So whenever you start this question, this step is same, this step is same, this step is same, this step is also same. Till here there will be no problem. Same procedure. But only the thing now we should do is we want all the terms should be converted in cot. So we know that tan can go in cot. We can write this as 1 plus cot A. This will be 1 plus cot B. This will be 1 plus cot A cot B is 1. And now when you take the LCM as cot A cot B, then what this will come out to be, here it will be cot B, here it will be cot A, and here it come out to be plus 1 is 1. So all the terms coming in terms of cot now. I'll take this term here, so I got it cot B plus cot A plus 1 equal to cot A cot B. Again we want cot on one side. So this term this side and 1 will take this side. So 1 by cot A, 1 by cot B, 1 by cot A cot B. So when you solve it, it will come cot, we'll take this term 1 side. This will be cot A cot B minus of cot A minus of cot B. You will write this way. All the terms of cot on one side and 1 way of take another side. Now if you solve it, just check here. Cot A cot B. This is cot A into minus 1 minus cot A minus cot B plus cot A cot B is here, and then we need plus 1. 1 is missing here, so I'll make it plus 1 here, and here I'll make it plus 1. So when you solve it, it will come 2. We will take LCM here as cot of A, then it comes out to be cot B minus 1. Minus 1 is common, then cot of B minus 1. When you solve it, it will come cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1 coming as 2. This is the result we are asking. So this way you can have second part of this question also completed. Now coming on next. Yes, next question is prove that tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. This is the question we have. In this case, we have to prove this result. So whenever question comes on 10, we never try to get left hand side and we'll try to get right hand side. Best way is we just think about the angles. How many angles are there? One is 3x, another is 2x, another is x. Just like in the previous question, a plus b was pi by 4. I have started with 10. Same way now here in this case, 3x is one angle and another angle are 2x and x. So I start 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Then I'll start with tan 3x will be tan of 2x plus of x. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be tan 2x, tan of x by 1 minus tan 2x tan of x. And this is simply tan 3x. So simply tan a plus b formula we have taken. Now I'll take this term this side. It will come out to be tan 3x 1 minus tan 2x tan x. And here it is tan 2x plus tan of x. When you solve it now, it will come out to be tan 3x minus tan 3x tan 2x tan x should be equal to tan 2x plus tan of x. We will write this way. Now what you want? This whole product on one side and all the three terms on other side. So it's very simple now. What we do here in this case, this term I'll shift this side and these two terms I'll shift that side. So I get it tan 3x minus tan 2x minus of tan x comes out to be tan 3x tan 2x tan x. This is the proof we have of this question. So whenever 10 comes on three angles are there, we can solve it easily. Same question, or they can ask one more question on this. This is cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x come out to be 1. This we have to prove now. Now in this question also we have three angles visible. So the procedure will remain same. That is 3x is 2x plus x. Taking tan on both sides. So tan 3x will be tan 2x plus of x. When you solve it, it will come out to be tan 2x plus tan of x by 1 minus tan 2x tan x. This has come out to be tan 3x. I'll shift this from this side, so we get it tan 3x minus tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x. And this has come out to be tan 2x plus tan x, just like the previous question. This term this side and other terms on another side. Or you do one thing. First, convert them in cot. So it will be 1 by cot 3x. Here it will come 1 by cot 3x cot 2x cot of x. And here it come out to be 1 by cot of 2x plus 1 by cot of x. Now when we go for LCM, cot 3x, cot 2x, cot x. Here what it will come? When you take the LCM, it will come cot 2x cot of x minus 1. And here it will be LCM is cot 2x. So it will come cot of x plus cot of 2x. Something cancel, cot 2x gone. And cot x also here. So this is also gone. Now left is cot 3x. We can shift this here and can solve it. So it come out to be cot 2x cot of x minus 1 equal to this cot 3x will go this side. So cot 3x cot x plus cot 2x cot of x. And 1 will shift that side and remaining term on this side. So cot of 2x cot of x minus cot of 3x cot of x minus cot of 2x cot of x. Come out to be 1. Hence proved. So this way we have few questions. Next time we'll be starting with more questions.